Come with the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. Pon the phone, just quick, believe me, girl. Pon the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link pon the tool and come. Record that. Alright. Yo, for you to the face, I hear the voice, and you don't know, say a Cogency on a Cogency Reacts channel. You understand? And today, we have 6-7, R6, and GY. R6, Mr. Red Rum himself. Red rum, let's spill some juice. Aye, ching man, down on my shoes, them come like lubes. Drill on them, man go back, the man them also rude. Drill on them, man go back, the man them also rude. Aye, 6, yeah, man. Legendary song. So, you know, there with the plugged in R6, fresh home, well, I'm there for a couple weeks now still, but basically fresh home. And, oi, don't kill the camera. But yeah, so you know, when I waste too much time now, take too long, we are jump straight in it right now. Big up Fumez. The plugged in them are going bad.
You know, a lot of people ask us, how is CDOT funded and where do you get your money from? The simple answer?
Plugged in. R6 GY. Free my drillers, free my members. SAD.
Free scribs.
No.
Free scribs.
Put him in a spliff, burn. Got shot, fling me the lighter, confirm.
Bombo clot, dude. No. You see, when him just reach home and the song when him do, spot him drop, I'm seeing no flights since I don't have a shot. Notorious Hill. Brother, the man no pick a shit beat yet from him reach home, bro. Honestly, the way that 808 slapped my chest a while ago, yeah, man, pull it up. Pull it up, selector. Niggas know. Listen.
Put him in a spliff, burn.
Burn.
Got shot, fling me the lighter, confirmed. I don't like going to they chill with the cameras turned. Don't party, we got down caution. Someone needs to get that. Walking around like Mike from Monster Inc. Bro used to keep 3 waps in his house. He does not think. It was me that had that spin and I got that U up. New plate car, we don't need no car key. I just put in a Rizzler, never again, that loud is dead. I was in cell 22, no picture, but I did that head. We talk drill, they talk drill, they take us down, they're fucking with feds. Or maybe they know who's real.
I mean, them not lied still because Dope Smoke song, no filter get take down, brother. And everything it blur out and all that, so. Maybe I true think about that, I don't know. Big up Thai TV. You see me, but baby, big up Dope still.
You up, new plate car, we don't need no car key. I just put in a Rizzler, never again, that loud is dead. I was in cell 22, no picture, but I did that head. We talk drill, they take us down, they're fucking with feds. Or maybe they know who's real, she said they know who's bled. Try summarize all this head. It was like 17 times when a man them got down. A leg shot, I don't class as work, see, neither does he, don't talk on Steph. Chef them pissed his the pussy or lost his breath. Late night SAD, me PR and death. Free GI, free my set. I can't run when I see.
Yo, PR, followed out with a song, no, bro. What go on, bro? Everybody from 6-7 and Japan, but now I hear nothing from PR, bro. Come on, man.
Talk on Steph. Chef them pissed his the pussy or lost his breath. Late night SAD, me PR and death. Free GI, free my set. I can't run when I see the Met, but I still run if I got that, yeah? Tape off gang. Free GI, free my set. I can't run when I see the Met, but I still run if I got that, yeah? Tape off gang.
Growing up was a good kid, started fucking with killers with a crazy adaption. Still pissed at the thing, did jam with a slap free. Growing up was a good kid, started fucking with killers with a crazy adaption. Still pissed at the thing, did jam with a slap free brain and bought out a fraction. 3 in a day, that's light, we should've got 5 of them brothers, no Jackson. His ward and it's fine by me, the sheen comes out, the clip is attaching.
Yes, GY, I don't know who you are, bro, but blood clot, yes.
Growing up was a good kid, started fucking with killers with a crazy adaption. Still pissed at the thing, did jam with a slap free brain and bought out a fraction. 3 in a day, that's light. We should've got 5 and them brothers, no Jackson. It's ward and it's fine by me. The sheen comes out, the clippers are catching. Me, I don't step naked. You already know me, I got a fatal attraction. Fell in love with the rusty whap. The first time I grab when I'm putting in action. They're still throwing care in the gam. My niggas in jail don't earn subtraction. They really can't say the same cause RIP's.
Sorry for the interruption. Back to us.
Throwing care in the gam.
Yeah.
Fell in love with the rusty whap. The first time I grab when I'm putting in action. They're still throwing care in the gam. My niggas in jail don't earn subtraction. They really can't say the same cause RIP's that I'm seeing in caption. The thing they pop, the fool they kinda look like his hamstring ripped. Me, I be pushing weight, I be gaining pounds, I ain't tryna get fit. Snap, crackle, put.
Me I try and get fit, me in the gym and push weight still. Be a bench press. 1, 2. You see it? To them man, me I push weight, but him I push some different weight. You understand? Yeah, not to watch that.
Ripped. Me, I be pushing weight, I be gaining pounds, I ain't tryna get fit. Snap, crackle, pop, that's all I hear when that flame gets lit. The dirt be light with freckles, reason why it's called chocolate chip. Got selection of skanks all over the ends, when we go, gotta take a pick. One hand on the handlebar, one hand in the air, tryna make man kip. My SADs be silent, there ain't no way that we're sinking ships. But our feds always come with intel, I did get that anonymous tip.
They ain't gonna take that risk. Get back what? Who they fooling? Me and bro chefed up. Try to get away but the car was stooling. Got done like twice by the same guy, now that is appalling. What you know about 3-hour glides? I just see an up, I do road corning. We ain't tryna make this warfare just like you respawning. What you know about getting a drop? Execution. He trips our pisses. PR chef my man. Horrible, you could see us.
Look, it's nothing like golf, but all of my bros, they done got a hole in one. Can't step with me on my SADs if you ain't spoke.
Hey man, listen. R6 man said GY, you know, spin you upon him debut. You understand? Because enough of the things that in your verse blur out, you understand? So maybe that kind of fuck with the flow of the verse and everything where I go. But for punchlines and metaphors, bro, hey, man, go on bad still. Man, I go like GY, big up your blood clot self.
My man, horrible, you could see us.
Look, it's nothing like golf, but all of my bros, they done got a hole in one. Can't step with me on my SADs if you ain't spilled no blood. My bro got a horrid one and he turned them digger when he M that scum. Coon got slapped in his face, then straight in the drain, them case got flung.
Oh! With the CGM word scheme? No. But change it. Yeah, GY. Yeah, you spin R6. Yo, R6, I'm a general, but GY forward different today, brother. Buckler, youth. Hard. Yo, say it again.
Look, it's nothing like golf, but all of my bros, they done got a hole in one. Can't step with me on my SADs if you ain't spilled no blood. My bro got a horrid one and he turned them digger when he M that scum. Coon got slapped in his face, then straight in the drain, them case got flung. They claim it was a stab, but that fool they scream, my blade got swung. That blade that belonged to bro, but I got first blood, now I own that one. Puller twos me on his asthma punk, we see him, them fools did run. And it was broad day live with them, where most of my works got done. Facts.
What is that? What area is that?
I got first blood, now I own that one. Puller twos me on his asthma punk, we see him, them fools did run. And it was broad day live with them, where most of my works got done.
Facts.
Fumez, the engineer.
Yeah, Fumez. Yeah, I forgot to think about that one. That's tough. Buckler, big up Fumez, big up R6 and GY, big up See That. Yo, the past couple of plugged in them with See That. Fumez one. Do Road one. They have See That on it. And who else? Somebody else wanted to have See That as the producer, dog, and it just sick your fuck. So big up See That. See That I make some sick rhythm from with it. You understand? Big up Mitchie Taylors and Chromatics, but Bumbleclot youth. GY, I don't know if I'm first song this, but the first song me and listen from GY. You understand? I'm definitely want to hear some. You know R6 already, dog. R6 not really disappoint still. He never have a bad verse, but him verse them never better than GY verse them. That's just really how it is still. You see, GY does forward different, bro. But you know 6-7 thing go already, dog. The man them, I don't know how the man them have so much talent in one black, dog. I swear. From AK, Silent, Dope Smoke, and then you know you have the older one them, Dimsy, Monkey, Scribs, ASAP, you understand, SJ. Then, yo, Emerson, man. And then Silent in the new, yeah, man. Yeah. I fuck with this still. 67R6 GY plugged in with Fumez. Sick. You don't know a Cogency on a Cogency Reacts channel. You know, say music channel in the description below and gaming channel in the description below. Actually, I'm going to leave a preview to the little drill freestyle I'm going to do. Not little, it's a big blood clot drill freestyle. Remember me tell you that. For the drill freestyle, I'm going to leave a preview to this. And for the video them I'm going to make today, I leave a little like 10-15 second clip at the end. So you can hear me go on with this. Week edit a drop in a Saturday though. Yeah, Saturday it a drop it though. So make sure everybody will watch this. Tune in for Saturday. Go up on the main channel on Saturday because freestyle a drop. You see me? So Cogency on the Cogency Reacts channel. You don't know. Now mount motherfucker. Peace. Stay, I'm leaving, far too cold, I'm just frigid freezing. Fuck these girls for no fucking reason. Fuck the world, I don't need no reason. C-class Benz on the highway speeding, eyes bleeding. I'ma see just leaning. I'ma got gal in the back saying no, said I'm doing, I'm squeezing. They see ghosts said I'm doing, I'm sneezing. No, said them bulls said I'm doing, I'm teasing. More for drink, but I don't do leaning. That shit give me an awful feeling. Rather be smoking weed and wheezing. Just food and sex and sleeping. I'm in the one beer, bad news, but your girlfriend cheating.